1, 1, 1, 1.
I think 500 two-stroke.
Alright mate, we're in Trentino.
Yeah.
Another round. It's been a very good start to the season, so how are we feeling?
Feeling good, and then trying to continue like this way how we started, hopefully.
What do you think of the track? Have you got good memories of Trentino?
Yeah, I've ridden here last year, so track looks again good. So yeah, we hope for good conditions again.
Ancora una volta autore Ernecker, già davanti con Ricardo Bauer che si sta in assoluto che possono Bernard avanti ad appena 4 secondi per prendere le spalle del piccolo austriaco, la seconda da Riccardo Bauer. Business as usual.
Was good note. Got a good start, got the whole shot, and then just pushed a few laps, and yeah, then I got a big gap, I think, so then I just could control it and was quite easy, I would say, but yeah, was a good race.
You're getting used to winning now?
Yeah, kinda like. Tire worked good, bike worked good, so yeah, worked perfectly.
Gigi's happy.
Yeah.
Is mechanic happy?
Yes, very nice.
Little brother, we got big brother. How happy are you with little brother's season so far?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect that he would be this good. I mean, I saw him every time on practice, and I was like, "Pooh, he was pretty fast." But that he, win the European like this now, the first few rounds is pretty good.
Confidence?
Yeah.
What's the difference for him this year? Why has he unlocked this new speed?
I think we trained a lot over the season together, and he followed me a lot. And obviously with 250, I have a lot more power. But yeah, he followed me quite good, and we push each other, and yeah, it was for sure helpful for him.
Yeah, I mean, we had a not so good start, but managed to come third on this track. I mean, it was hard to pass, hard track. Conditions were also pretty hard, I guess, but it was good.
I've heard the track today from numerous riders, winners from the Mxgp and MX2 class, that it was a little bit sketchy.
Yeah,
Would you say it was?
It was sketchy as hell.
Well,
honestly.
One good thing you may have had on your back wheel was a good tyre. So was it helpful?
That was the best actually.
What was it?
I mean, sometimes when I went from the bumps, you just get like a kicker from out of nowhere, and then you just wonder like, what the fuck?
Right, so tomorrow is the plan, get out that gate, because I think it's almost impossible to probably come through from anywhere outside the top 5 to win here, really.
Hard to say. But we got a new tyre for tomorrow.
Oh, what tyre are you going to use?
Scoop
tyre for the start.
Yeah.
I feel like you need it. Like compared to the other boys, You're quite a big guy for a 125.
I mean, yeah, 70 kilo, 180, so pretty big.
Well, your teammate told me he's 47 kilos. Luckily, you got a good bike underneath you, though.
Yeah, that's for sure.
We'll put a 450 engine in there.
I think 500 two-stroke.
di giugno, la settimana prima di bella rossa incandescente, perché lui che ha vinto grandi stagioni la Norman KTM si cercherà di attaccarlo mentre Pini e Utek sono sulla salita X3
per mettere
non ostacolo
una doppietta, intanto non abbiamo finito qua.
Mamma mia, questo ragazzi sarà il nome che ci dovremmo ricordare, Ricardo Bauer.
Doesn't get much better.
Cannot get much better. No, it's tough to make it better. It was a good weekend. Still, Moji is on the is on the roll. He doesn't mistake anything. He seems to be very strong in the mind. So I'm happy about it. What is also pretty positive that Riccardo comes back. He had a really good beginning, winter time, but then in the beginning of the season he get one injury which, let's say, cost him some confidence and some, of course, time on the bike. But now he's back and we have 5 weeks, can start again to build up, and then I hope that they're gonna be both even better after 5 weeks.
Moritz led every single lap this weekend. Pretty impressive.
Cannot make better. I mean, he was P1 on the time practice, then he got 2 whole shot and led from the first to the last lap with pulling away. So he has quite a good confidence. He's happy about everything, bikes and setup. So you know how it is when you are confident and everything runs good and you enter in the loop, then it's getting easier.
We led every lap this weekend, mate.
Yeah.
Pretty impressive.
1. Free practice 1, qualifying 1, and 2 motor wins. Really
and whole
happy.
shot to the checkered
Yeah,
flag.
exactly.
Yeah, doesn't get much better.
No, for sure not.
What's the plan now? You got a bit of time off.
Yeah, I think doing just training again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do for fun? What do you do away from the racing?
Yeah, I don't know really. Just
Bike.
Racing, yeah.
Do you mountain bike or e-bike or anything?
Yeah, sometimes,
Yeah?
but not really.
You just want to ride your
Yeah,
bike?
exactly.
Good work.
Thank you. Danke. Yeah. Ja, sicher.